I bought and tested these battery string trimmers so you don't waste your hard-earned money. I've been there, standing in the store unsure of which tool to pick. So I took these 5 top contenders into my yard to see which one truly delivers. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of each.
Product number 1, DeWalt 20V Max XR String Trimmer. When I first took the DeWalt 20V Max XR String Trimmer out of the box, I was struck by its build quality. This tool feels solid and robust, which is essential when tackling tough weeds and grass. I appreciated the 14-inch cutting width, which allowed me to cover a lot of ground quickly. The speed of 6,000 RPM is impressive, providing the power I needed to slice through thick patches without hesitation. The variable speed trigger was a game changer. It gave me the control to dial back the power around delicate plants, ensuring I didn't accidentally uproot anything. The folding hinge is an ingenious feature, making storage and transportation easy, perfect for those of us with limited garage space. Pros: the performance is stellar, especially with its durability and thick brush. The quick load spool made changing the line hassle-free, a huge relief compared to other trimmers I've used. I also loved the high-low speed control, allowing for an optimal balance between power and battery life. Cons: while it's lightweight, some may find the lack of a battery and charger a downside, as you'll need to invest in those separately. Also, the price point is a bit higher than others, but I believe you get what you pay for. If you're looking for a trimmer that is powerful, reliable, and built to last, I can confidently recommend the DeWalt 20V Max XR String Trimmer. It's an investment that pays off in the long run, especially if you have a larger yard or thick foliage to manage.
Product number 2, Greenworks 40V 12-inch cordless string trimmer. The Greenworks 40V 12-inch cordless string trimmer was a bit of a surprise for me. Initially, I hesitated because it seemed smaller and less powerful than the DeWalt. However, once I got it going, I was impressed with its performance. The 12-inch cutting path is perfect for small to medium-sized yards, giving me enough reach without being cumbersome. The variable speed trigger allowed me to adjust my cutting speed, which was incredibly useful when maneuvering around flower beds and shrubs. Pros: I loved how lightweight it felt. At just 8.38 pounds, it was easy to handle for extended periods. The auto feed head was a lifesaver, as I didn't have to waste time bumping the trimmer to advance the line. Also, I appreciated the eco-friendly design with no emissions, a perfect fit for those conscious about their carbon footprint. Cons: one downside is that it doesn't come with a battery or charger, which can drive up the initial cost if you don't already own compatible ones. The 40V power was good, but I did find it struggled a bit with tougher weeds compared to more powerful models. If you're in the market for an economical, lightweight trimmer that's perfect for light to moderate yard maintenance, the Greenworks 40V 12-inch is a solid choice. It's especially great for those who value ease of use and portability. Product number 3, Works GT 3.0 20V PowerShare String Trimmer. The Works GT 3.0 caught my eye with its 2-in-1 functionality, and I was eager to see if it lived up to the hype. Switching from a trimmer to an edger was seamless. The whole transformation took just seconds. I particularly liked the command feed spool system for instant line feeding. No more waiting around for the line to adjust. The head tilts 90 degrees, making it easy to tackle sloped areas and tight corners in my yard. Pros: the rubberized wheels were a nice touch, providing support and guiding my cuts for straighter lines. At just 6 pounds, it was super easy to maneuver. Plus, the fact that it comes with 2 batteries means I didn't have to worry about running out of juice mid-trim. The free spools for life program is a huge bonus too, ensuring I'll always have line on hand. Cons: while it's lightweight, some might find the 12-inch cutting width a bit limiting for larger jobs. Additionally, it does require a bit of learning to master the edger function if you're used to a traditional trimmer. Overall, if you want versatility and convenience, the Works GT 3.0 is a fantastic option. It's perfect for homeowners seeking a capable trimmer and edger in one unit, especially in smaller yards or gardens. Product number 4, Craftsman V20 Weed Whacker. I was excited to try out the Craftsman V20 Weed Whacker, especially with its promise of extended runtime. The automatic line advance feature was a game changer. I didn't have to worry about bumping to feed the line, which made the whole experience smoother. The 13-inch cutting swath felt efficient, allowing me to get my yard trimmed in less time than expected. Pros: the telescoping pole was a great ergonomic feature. I could easily adjust it to my height, making transitions from trimming to edging very quick. The 2-speed settings were also a big plus. I could choose between more power for thicker areas or longer runtime when I needed to stretch out the battery life. And the integrated hook for VersaTrack compatibility really helped in organizing my workspace. Cons: while the performance was solid, I noticed that it could struggle a bit with really dense brush, so keep that in mind if you have a lot of overgrown areas. Also, the weight was slightly more than other models, which might lead to fatigue during longer sessions. In conclusion, the Craftsman V20 is ideal if you need a reliable, versatile trimmer that provides good runtime and ease of use. It's an excellent choice for those who want to tackle various tasks around their yard without breaking the bank. Product number 5. 20V Cordless String Trimmer. I haven't had a chance to test the 20V cordless string trimmer extensively, but I was impressed with its specs. It comes with two 2.0 AH batteries and a fast charger, which is a massive benefit for those looking to get a full day of yard work done without interruptions. The 12-inch cutting path and auto line feed feature stand out as practical aspects for average homeowners. Pros: the 2-in-1 functionality makes it a versatile tool, easily transforming from a trimmer to an edger. The inclusion of 8 lines suggests that it's ready for prolonged use right out of the box, which is a plus for anyone who hates waiting for replacements. Cons: one major concern is the absence of detailed user reviews, making it hard to assess long-term performance. Additionally, the weight and balance of the unit might affect maneuverability, although that remains to be seen once put to the test. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that promises functionality and includes multiple lines, this trimmer could be a great addition to your gardening arsenal. In conclusion, each of these battery string trimmers has its unique strengths and weaknesses. Whether you prioritize power, versatility, or weight, there's a perfect match for your yard work needs among these top 5 contenders. Don't rush your decision. Take the time to consider what features matter most to you.